Brazilian picanha. Obrigado. Let's get involved, people. Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Wil Blumberg, and tonight, guys, we're gonna be cooking up an amazing picanha on the green egg. So who's coming over tonight? We have Ian Atkinson over here on keys. It's gonna be his last show for a little while, so we gotta enjoy this one tonight. It's gonna be great. We also have Adam Pritchett on guitar. We have Arthur Zaragoza coming over on guitar, and Kerry Jordan on bass, and myself, Wil Blumberg, on drums. So without further ado, let's get involved, people. Boom! Okay, so here is our amazing picanha we're gonna be using tonight. We're actually using 2 picanhas, and we're gonna be seasoning it with some of this Argentinian salt. I know this is Brazilian cut, but Argentinian grilling salt's excellent. Along with, we're gonna be using some Hardcore Carnivore on one of these, just to try it out, just to see how it goes. So you guys stay tuned, here we go. So we have a beautiful cap of fat right on top of this guy. I'm gonna score this, I'm gonna rub it down with some salt, and we're getting ready to pop it on the green egg. So we're cooking it tonight indirectly on the green egg at 300 degrees until this hits an internal temp of about 125, 130 maybe. And then we're gonna pull it and let it rest for a moment, and then we're gonna be tearing into this thing. So you guys hang tight, like and subscribe. We're gonna catch you back here in a second. All right, time to put these picanhas on the grill, so here we go. There it is. 2 picanhas looking gorgeous. Salt, Hardcore Carnivore. All right, let me smoke. We'll see you guys back here in a little bit. You guys enjoy these jams, we'll be right back. All right, guys, we are up to temp. It's time to pull. Woo, look at those picanhas, looking amazing. Look at those caps. Oh my God. All right, let's go ahead and pull them. Oh, that fat cap is looking beautiful. Look how nice and rendered that is. Oh my God. All right, here we go. There she is, guys. All right, we're gonna be tearing into her in a second. Check her out. Wow. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. All right, these are gonna cool down. We're gonna let them rest for about 10, 15 minutes. We're gonna be jumping in. So you guys enjoy these jams. We'll be right back. I'm gonna start slicing into this, and my buddy Arthur Zaragoza, who's gonna be playing with us tonight over here on guitar. Actually, I'm gonna bring him in for a second. He's gonna talk about this dish for a second, because he brought over this really cool traditional, what do we call it? Farofa?
Yes, it's called Farofa.
Farofa. What's up, dude? How's it going? Thanks for coming on the show. Yeah, man. Yeah, give us a little rundown of what's going on with this.
Yeah, so this is a traditional farofa, which we used to eat with picanha, which is cassava flour, grounded. So what you do, you slice it up, you put some here, a little bit of vinaigrette on top, and that's it.
I'm gonna slice this up a piece. Let's see you put one of those together real quick, buddy.
Let's do it, bro.
And actually, I'm gonna cut this right in half so you and I can both try this.
All right.
See how this goes.
Martin, what's up?
Hey, Martin. Okay, so we have this piece. Is that good? Oh, I was gonna hand that to you. Okay. All right, cool. All right, cheers.
All right,
now
cheers.
show me the
Okay, so you go
what
like
goes
this.
on here.
Like this. See?
Okay.
Dab of this, little dab of that.
And then you
Little dab will do you, right? Is that how it goes? Oh. Now hang on. I'm coming in with you. You gotta go floppy, floppy.
Oh yeah, bro.
And then you're going in.
Farofa. Vinagrete.
Is that about right? I'm gonna kind of roll it up so it all stays together. All right.
Saúde.
Cheers.
Bom apetite.
Woo.
Samba.
Whoa.
Now you samba.
Yeah, Sambo. Dude, thank you so much, Arthur. All right, so it's time to bring in all of the musicians for tonight. So we start off with Ian Atkinson. Come on in, baby. What's up, dude? You excited? Oh man, it's so good, so good. We also have Kerry Jordan over here. Come on in, baby.
Yep.
What's up? You be laying down some bass for us tonight, Bo?
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
But not before we have some meat.
Okay, well, that's good. We also have Adam Pritchett over here. What's going on? Did I pronounce that right?
You got it.
All right, sweet. Hey, man. So he's going to be rocking some guitar for us. And we also have Arthur Zaragoza over here. Going to be killing it. What's up? All right, so I know you just tried this, but you didn't try the one that was just the salt. So we did the Hardcore Carnivore, is the one that we tasted. But you guys, come on in, grab a piece. If you want to put it into the Farofa,
No, we're doing it.
or if you want to just try the meat, whatever you want to do.
Gotta do it all the way. Gotta do it all the way.
Yeah, go for it, guys. Yeah, and you just have to pat it in there. Just go for it. Raw, we're going for it. He is like, I'm ready, dude.
Okay. All right.
It's good stuff. A little bit of a production here tonight, but this is totally worth it.
Okay.
Authentic Brazilian.
Zoom forward till we all got a piece.
Yeah.
Juice me up.
This one is just salt, right?
Yeah, so we have just the
Cheers.
Argentinian salt. Hang on a second, I'm coming in with you guys.
Okay.
I'm gonna go in with the juices too.
Farofa.
Farofa.
Vinagrete.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. That's it. All right. Cheers, gentlemen. Some great jams tonight.
Cheers, boys.
Appreciate you guys. Here we go. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Come on, people.
Oh. That's fantastic. Now we salsa.
That was beautiful. Oh, nice.
Samba.
Now we samba.
Samba.
Samba. My bad.
That was almost a cardinal.
The other S
The salt on this one really kicks into that salt cap. That is so. Grab a piece, man. Go for it.
word.
You gotta try both.
Okay, let's do the other one.
Yeah.
Dang.
Ooh.
Bro.
Yeah, that's good.
Martine's gonna love this.
Oh, yeah.
Man, it looks incredible.
Bro.
Who's your
man.
favorite samba artist?
Barbecue jams?
Barbecue jams. That's a good question, man. I'll say one of the old school guys.
Joan.
Yeah.
I'm Astrid. I'm his daughter. That's my girl, man. Oh, my
Oh,
God.
wow.
I love her so much.
Can you try this one?
I'm
Here
in
you
it
go.
right now, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
Now, out of the two, y'all have had, no, you haven't had it yet. Or actually, you're going in for it now. Go for it.
Try it
Yeah.
Report.
Oh my God, bro.
Which one do you like better?
I like the traditional Brazilian.
Traditional salt. That's the way to fly?
Mm-hmm.
Because hardcore is always
Now
good.
listen. You know, it pains me to say that because hardcore I use on all my steaks.
Yes. Oh,
beef,
yeah.
beef.
Oh, yeah.
But
Kind of hard to beat.
the traditional Brazilian, just straight salt,
Yeah.
off the chain.
Isn't that good?
Yeah.
I think I agree with that. I think
it's
I would.
more tender too.
Yeah. I guess that salt,
salt.
really like penetrates. What do you guys think?
I agree.
I gotta say, yeah, simpler.
Salt?
Traditional.
Both are great.
I like this one, man. Because
You like the hardcore? The Brazilian likes the. All right, cool.
Here I am
Guys,
trying to-
thank you all so much for
Thank
wanting to
you.
get involved tonight. I'm going to bring some. What's that?
His opinion's worth more than all of ours.
I know. Well, that which is kind of crazy. But we're going to have some other guys come on, check out some food. You guys get ready for some jams. It's so good. So good.
Both are great. I just want to be
I think
clear.
they're
on
both
that.
very good. Yeah, thank you very much for that. Appreciate that. All right, so we also have a new guest in here tonight. We've got Jake over here. Jake's going to come on down. Are you going to come in? You want to come on? What's up, man? You excited? Yeah. All right, cool. Well, we've got these two to select from. Check them both out. See what you think. Oh yeah. Mazzy's down here scooping up the bits. That's what she does. I know it's a mouthful. You can, I'll give you a second. I'll give you a second. It's like, whoa. Fantastic, right? It's a whole different kind of situation, right? Isn't that different? And so I've never had this before. It's such a different approach to eating picanha, which I love. Thank you very much, Arthur, for bringing that. Pretty. It's just something different, right?
Yeah.
And you want to give the hardcore a shot. See what you think of that. If you can, go for it and see what you think. No pressure or anything.
Small piece.
While Jake's snacking on that, I'm going to bring in Martine, and we also have his beautiful girlfriend over here, Deanna. Come on down. What's going on? Don't worry, you washed everything tonight. Everything's looking good. You guys tear that up and get involved. See what you think.
Everything is clean.
Everything is clean.
It smells great.
What'd you think, Jake? Did you like the second one or first one better?
So we do this like this, right?
I think the second one.
You like the hardcore? Okay, cool. He's a hardcore fan too. Jeff Crass hooked him up with that. Yeah, I mean, it's always a winner. Yeah, Hardcore Carnivore is always killing it.
Fantastic.
Sweet.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for being on, man. Oh boy, this is like I feel like the true test over here. What's going on with this?
Cheers!
Oh, this cheers! Ah, hey,
Can't wait.
Come on, bro.
I do have a napkin. Believe it or not. Yeah.
Wow.
Fantastic.
Now, which one did you go with?
Wow.
Ah, you went traditional. I went with the salt.
But I want to try this one too.
Yeah, you got to do it. You got to try it.
That's incredible, man.
Deanna's being very
the
polite.
whole
She's not going for the whole thing right here.
No?
Huh? Oh, yeah. Hey, do your thing.
Didn't go.
Oh, yeah.
Martine, what do you think?
Incredible, man.
Yeah.
The combination with this,
Did you
just
try-
give it a totally different kind of texture.
Right.
And this, what is this?
Vinaigrette, that's
Vinaigrette.
onions.
Vinaigrette, kind of, yeah.
Has mango in it. It's something sweet. Pepper.
It's gonna go for the, what is it?
That's hardcore.
Hardcore.
Yeah. You got to be hardcore to go for that.
Oh, yeah.
The Farofa. Farofa. Oh, boy.
Ooh.
Mazzy's like, she's loving that. Yeah, take your time. You know, it's all right. It's all right.
Unbelievable. So this is another flavor?
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's a different, different seasoning.
Uh-huh.
That's what makes it.
The hardcore.
You going hardcore?
That's a winner.
No way.
Sure.
I thought for sure you were going to be going
No.
for that, the Argentinian salt, the grilling salt, because I actually really like that pop.
I love it.
Yeah.
But this one is, it's kind of, I don't know, it complements better with this.
Right.
Oh, wow.
Good.
It is very good. They're both great, actually. But that one,
I
Yeah.
like this one.
you like the hardcore better. Ah, nice.
There you go.
All right.
That's awesome.
It's kind of a toss-up, guys. We're kind of back and forth. We're like, it's, you know.
You gotta try this.
Yes.
You gotta try this.
So
It's
good.
incredible. Good.
Dude.
Thank you so much.
Great
Thank you,
job,
Will.
guys. Yeah, of course. I think, hey, does Ryan Turk want to try it out? Or are you just kind of stand by? You want to come check it? Come on, Ryan. He's like, all right, man, I've been here for the long haul. We got to get some of this food. We have the salt and the hardcore. Ryan Turk, everybody. Oh, boy.
It wouldn't be the same without that setup. Oh no.
No, I don't think so. Yeah, it's like
Arthur came in.
very unique.
Oh, that's what.
Yeah, dude.
Wow. No man.
I heard a wow in there somewhere.
Wow.
That's good. Wows are good.
That's amazing.
Pretty nice.
Yeah.
I know it takes a minute to chew this stuff up and get it down, but my God, it's so good.
Good job, Will.
Thanks, bro.
Love it.
Appreciate it. Cool. Thanks for hooking up Adam tonight, by the way. Adam came in clutch tonight for the show, so a second guitar player worked out perfect. Guys, I'm gonna feed the people. We will be back here in just a minute. You guys enjoy these jams. All right, guys, we had an excellent show tonight. My God, this picanha was incredible. What'd you guys think of that picanha? Insane. It was so good. We have a couple of newcomers over here. I got to invite them out. So come on down. We've got Adam over here. Adam Pritchett. What's up, dude? How's it going? How's it going? Hey, that shirt looks really good on you, man. I like it a lot. Cool. And we also have Jake over here.
Thank you, buddy.
Jake, come on down.
Great time.
Jake Cockrell. Right?
Yep.
All right, sweet, got it. All right, so I'm getting there, guys. Wait, look, so I gotta hook them up with some shirts. So here we go, we got some merch, dude. Looking good, guys, looking good.
Thank you, buddy.
Hey, look, it's official. You guys have been BBQ Jams.
That's right.
Oh my God! BBQ Jams. All right, guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Please like and subscribe. We're gonna catch you guys next time. Peace. All right.